If you have a strong purpose in life, you don't have to be pushed. Your passion will drive you there. Your purpose in life is to find your purpose and give your whole heart and soul to it. Nothing is more creative nor destructive than a brilliant mind with a purpose. Find a purpose to serve, not a lifestyle to live. Those who have failed to work toward the truth have missed the purpose of living. Make your work to be in keeping with your purpose. Dedicate yourself to what gives your life true meaning and purpose. Make a positive difference in someone's life. Accept yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, your truths, and know what tools you have to fulfill your purpose. You can have anything you want if you want it badly enough. You can be anything you want to be, do anything you set out to accomplish if you hold to that desire with singleness of purpose. I'm not unhappy, he said. Only people with no purpose are unhappy. I have got a purpose. The purpose of life is a life of purpose. You don't decide what your purpose is in life, you discover it. Your purpose is your reason for living. Life is short only if you are not living your purpose. Our privileges are not for our pleasure, but rather for our purpose. Purpose unifies us. It focuses our dreams, guides our plan, strengthens our efforts. Purpose defines us, shapes us, and offers us greatness. Joy is the holy fire that keeps our purpose warm and our intelligence aglow. The person without a purpose is like a ship without a rudder. You want to make sure that your purpose is something people can benefit from long after you are gone. Our sole purpose on this earth is to add value to others. It doesn't make sense to just exist in people's lives or to be drained on them, does it?